Hi everyone, it's Neil. Welcome to my new home, and I got a little organizer thingy for the garage because I have all these different brooms and mops and whatnot, and they're all just falling all over the place on the floor and it's driving me crazy. So I got this organizer here, and you can see it says the Ave organizer, and you can kind of see what it's supposed to do here. So let's check it out and see what it looks like and see how the quality is on this thing. I'm going to put a link to this in the description, so be sure to click that, and I will also, I guess that's it. So be sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video as well. So, okay, so here, I got everything came out and fell on the floor. I'm guessing, I guess that's the template to cut the holes or something. And let's see what this stuff looks like. I dropped this. Okay, so what do we got here? So we have some bunch of screws with the anchor. So if we're putting it into sheetrock or something, we can do that, or just long screws if we're gonna hit it into a stud. It'd be nice if we can hit a stud. We're putting that up here. Yeah, this here, you can just put this on the wall first because it lines up with the holes. So it just makes it easier to do. A nice little template. Oh, and then here's some more anchors for, I believe these are for concrete maybe. So, yeah. Okay. So this is the one here, and I got this one because it's got these, you can kind of see it's springy. You see the way it's springy like that? So it can hold the brooms and stuff in it. Do I have anything here I can put in there? Not really, but that's the concept. You can kind of see, and then it's also got the hooks. So you can have sticks and hooks so I can hang my, the little dustpan. Actually, I have a broom right over there. I'm gonna go check it out. I'll be right back. So you can see how it works. Did you miss me? Okay, so here, so this is there's the thing. So you can hang the dustpan like that, right? So it's got the hooks for those. And then this is for the brooms. See, so you can fit any size in there by just putting something in and pushing up a little bit, and there. And now it holds it in there really tight because the downstroke is what tightens it, and the upstroke is what loosens it. So if you need to pull it out, you kind of pull it up and out as you go. So it's good to go. So it's kind of nice. So it holds everything in place. So I'll be able to hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things. I don't even have that many. I have this broom, and I have a Swiffer and a Swiffer wet jet, and I don't think I'm gonna put my vacuum in there because my vacuum has its own little case. So probably only have 3 things at the moment. I might put a shovel or something like that in there too. So maybe 4. But here you can kind of see that's how it works and holds it up. It holds it pretty good. And let me just put this back here, and then you can kind of see the back of how it works. It's got springs on each one of these ones, so that's why this does that. So it's got little springs, so it's pretty good. And it's got little rubber on the sides here. It's got rubber here and here, so it really does holds it into place. So that's what's good about it, so it won't be sliding all over and sliding out. So I really like this. I got this one, so it was pretty inexpensive too for what it does. I mean, when I was looking at some of the hardware stores getting these things, it was something like $30 or something like that. This was maybe a third of that price or so. But I like it, so thumbs up for me. I'm gonna put a link to it in the description. Be sure to like the video and subscribe, and I'll be back with more reviews soon. Thanks, bye.